Hi, David Weck here. Today I'm going to teach you an exercise that will improve your squat and improve the carryover from the squat to better running. So you're going to need a piece of elastic. Any elastic's going to do, doesn't matter, it just has to be the right tension. You don't want it to be too light or too heavy of a resistance. This one's just this really cool elastic from my friends at Rumble Roller, and it just makes me wind it around a couple times, and now I've got a nice tension. The key is abduction. That's abduction. That's bringing the legs out. So I'll do it on this angle, but I'm going to drive the knees out. Feet will be pointed relatively straight ahead in this exercise. What I'm going to do is I'm going to drive the knees out, pull down, and I want to feel that work happening in the hips. Driving out against that elastic resistance is the key. So I'm here, and I drive it out, Now, from the bottom position, where I get to the bottom, I'm defining the bottom by the lower back. I want the lower back to stay as good as it can. Neither arched, anterior or posterior. Here it is. Now I come up onto the toes. And I want to sink in, but maintain height in the toes, but get more flexion into the hips. Bring it down to the heels. Now, get it up onto the toes. Find that balance. Feel the hips. And then see if I can deepen it, maintain quality. Now, up on the toes. That's only 3 repetitions. Boom, come up. You'll feel it. You did a lot of work there. Boom, take the elastic off. Now, first thing you want to do is test it on the ground. Did it improve? That's our goal. So, right here, boom, pull in a nice squat. Feel that nice power and depth. Boom, got it. Improvement. Coming up on the toes, that's going to improve the mechanics of running by shifting the center forward in the base, giving you better balance and strength through the feet, and give you the proper mechanics, which is foot coming up, knee going forward. So foot starts the up, hands it off to the hip flexors, foot keeps on coming up. That's our cycle. When I'm moving forward, whoop, it's going to do that. So by doing that toe lift, I'm starting to increase the flexion here with the raising up of the foot there, and it leads to good mechanics where the foot's coming up, knees going forward, and I'm using that foot and Achilles, calves, plantar fascia, everything here to send it up to the hip flexors, boom, and I leave the hamstring in reserve for extension. So that elastic exercise will improve your squats. Give it a test, and do that little toe raise onto it, and it'll carry over to better running function.